Have you ever looked down at your meal and noticed everything on the plate was brown? I know I have. While brown meals are sometimes difficult to avoid, eating the rainbow, or a diet rich in a variety of different colors, is a really powerful weapon in our fight against chronic disease. In fact, many studies have established that people who incorporate many colors into their diet by consuming fruits and vegetables have a lower risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer. Not only are they a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, but plants also contain thousands of naturally occurring compounds known as phytochemicals. These powerful compounds are classified as antioxidants, which protect our cells and tissue from damage by regenerating and protecting essential nutrients in our body, as well as neutralize cancer-causing compounds known as carcinogens. While modern science hasn't explained all the benefits of phytochemicals yet, what we do know is that consuming a wider variety of colorful fruits and vegetables maximizes all their amazing health benefits. So don't be afraid to mix it up and try all the red, yellow, purple, and orange veggies you can find at your local Washington market, knowing it will help your chances at living a longer, happier life.